Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Nailsea today. You can probably guess what I bought, or at least the first item. A plastic star for Christmas to go on top of the Christmas tree. It cost me £1.50, that's a bit more than I like to pay for things. But I have an idea, and it's not anything to do with putting it on top of the Christmas tree. I'm going to make a rubber band powered car out of that. So that will be on my put a rubber band on it channel. My spin-off channel where I just put rubber band powered projects on there. So that will become a rubber band powered car. I haven't quite decided exactly how I'm going to do it, but I had some ideas while I was standing in the shop looking at it. So, Christmas rubber band powered car. Next, a couple of books. 25p each, these books. This is quite nice for early learning, words, that sort of thing. But that isn't why I bought it. Again, I'm going to make a rubber band powered car out of it, or a rubber band powered book. And I'm going to see if I can do it in a non-destructive way. So that'll be on my other channel. So put that away. So that's two rubber band powered cars. Next, another book, again 25p. And this one I actually bought because I liked the look of it. I thought my grandson might like to read this one. It's got lots of toy robots in it. Some of them we may even have had at some time or other. That noise in the background is our dishwasher. Shooting robot. Yeah, we've got ones very similar to that. Now, I've seen plenty like that. I've definitely had some of these cyber pets, and Robo Sapien. I've got the Homer Sapien, based on Homer from The Simpsons. I think I've had that one. Yeah, I just thought it was quite a nice book, and for 25p I thought I could stretch to that. So yeah, just a nice book, and as I've said about 3 times now, 25p, I thought we could live with that. And then finally, another wooden kit. £1.25, that's 25p more than I like to spend on these. But I looked at it in the shop and I thought I could probably motorise it. So I'll probably do a video putting it together, and then I'll do a video either converting it to rubber band power for my rubber band power channel, or use the components out of a radio controlled car and make it radio controlled. It's a similar size to that one, a little bit bigger, isn't it? But I know I've got plenty of toy grade radio controlled motor and gearbox units and steering units. So we could probably make that into a radio controlled car just for the fun of it. Don't know when, but that'll be one of those projects that I'll do at some time in the future. And that's it. So wooden kit, 2 books and a plastic star. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.